A town planning consultant, Bisi Adedire, has identified design error, poor quality of building materials, poor maintenance culture, and failure of some professionals to abide by building standards as well as rules regulation guiding building construction as some reasons for distressed building in Nigeria, especially Lagos. Adedire made this assertion while speaking in an interview with MITV News in Lagos on the issues of distressed building, which often lead to the menace of incessant building collapse. The president of the Association of Town Planning Consultants of Nigeria, ATOPCON, said a building is distressed with stages of dilapidation and cracks in such buildings. He made a strong appeal for need corrections to be made on errors identified during construction stage, while faulting some professionals in the industries for colluding with developers and landlords by not complying with some specific on building construction.
I watched in Facebook sometimes ago where an engineer went for an inspection of these block molders, and on getting there he just pushed one of the block, and what we experienced is that the whole thing continued to crumble. Nobody touched, just to push one to lick the other block, and the whole thing started broken just like that. So can you just imagine that kind of block to be used in construction work? By the time you are adding load to something, the end result is to building collapse. I've seen a situation whereby they call it so-called 12 mm iron rod that can be used as a stick to kill somebody, because the strength is no longer there. And what we are telling government to do is to have a kind of control, monitoring. And what are the reasons for going for all those kind of building materials? It is because of the cost. There is no price control again.